As we've been doing Atomy business, what we've been working on, this is too small. In a way, we're doing this little work, yet we are enjoying these amazing results. Hello, I am Yong Park, an Atomy Imperial Master. Nice to meet you. Before I started this Atomy business, I didn't appreciate much. I am just fine on my own. Everything seems solved by my capability. That's what I thought. I used to treat my partners like my subordinates. At that time, all the friends whom I treated like subordinates left. About that, I regret so much. As a result, I've had a really rough and depressing time because of my lack of gratitude. Until then, it was my lack of self-reflection. But as I started this business at Atomy, not only my life itself has changed, but I've also changed. This is when I accepted information about Atomy. The president came to me and held a business orientation. Then, 17 people gathered. We listened to a business explanation in a small restaurant. After the session, sponsor Jung-Soo Park, "Because you came to my house, I'll serve you dinner," she said. "Because I don't have money, I'll buy you a 3,000 Korean won meal with a bowl of rice." I'm very grateful for that. Of the 3 meals a day then, I had only one if I got lucky. So I went to the restaurant. Again, the president gave us an additional explanation. Also, talk about all the motives of the business. And when? There, we really have nothing. Not even a hope. We, from right here, with hope, let's give it a shot. I was moved by that. I thought I had a chance to have hope too. So now, I've started working. I'm still so grateful for that. At first, I had no car and no money. Nothing. But now, a sponsor, Sungir Kim, and I have become attached at the hip. We rode together in his car. Whenever I go to any seminar, I am always accompanied. Imperial, Jung-Soo Park. Until I've come to this place, she's been the perfect support, I assume. She's the one who keeps going even if I say not to do it. So actively, who supported me? Our sponsor, Sung-Taek Im. Not only gave me information, to this day, such a heart hasn't changed. We still communicate together. I am grateful to even see his face. He changed my life. If he hadn't given me the information, would I really be here at this glorious place? Can we live in this overflowing abundance? So I thank everyone. This is my job. Am I not doing this to be successful? However, the partners, they are all doing my work. If you think about it in the wrong way, I could be mistaken as a person who pays their salary due to the nature of this job. However, it isn't like that. I am very thankful. Thanks for that. You really have to go with the basics. If they work hard for me. You have to have this idea. You can communicate well with that partner. We lean on each other and build trust. Sometimes we work with each other. Sometimes emotions get intense. Sometimes our paths don't align. There may also be differences of opinion. There's such a thing as holding a grudge, right? It doesn't exist for me, because I thank them. I can't hold a grudge. So when I do this Atomy business, knowing gratitude, starting from gratitude, things are bound to go well. I think like that. Gratitude is also a practice. It's a determination and practice. When you say thanks, gratitude comes from my heart. It's really hard at first. For the obvious, why should I be grateful? Sometimes I think like this, but others may not do it for me. It's better to think like that. So we're growing gratitude. The nature of our work. The person behind the work is important. So even if I hate someone with a grateful heart, I can change it to a beautiful heart. So I can see the next person. So always to meet the next person. I have to change it to gratitude. I started this job with one thing called hope. Looking at the results now, it's an enormous deal. It's really something to be thankful for. So someone may be working on it right now, or some of them are looking for it now. Some people will do these things. That this information came to me. If we have gratitude for this fact alone, it gets really fun, becomes fun, and one would have no intention of giving up anymore. So, get started anyway. If you've made a decision, you have to go to the Imperial Master. If you arrive, be thankful. Enjoy everything. This makes me comfortable and works well. With me, all our sponsors and partners become happy. Please, let's work with gratitude.